What is up, guys? Let me see how's my voice. How I am looking. How you doing, guys? You guys ready? How many people now? While I'm waiting you guys to be here, I'll just my warm up. I'll just start my warm up, okay? I'll just start my warm up. Wow, again a sunny day again. Super hot. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Let me know when you guys ready. Just say hi if you're here. Okay, I want to share this stream to our Facebook page or Facebook. Let me see. Wow, it's super hot, guys. Woohoo! Hot day. Everyone's sleeping or what? Not here. Only a couple people. Where's my skeptic? Yeah, let's be here, man. I'm here. Yeah, guys, today is my day 13 of daily travelers workout challenge. Let me double check about one thing. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing, guys? Whew. It's too hot, too hot. Let me warm up a little bit, guys. Then I will start talking while I'm working out. I need to keep pulling my stretch. It's not good. Yeah, I see. Morning here. It's like 11 a.m. It's not even morning, but it is really hot. That's all I can tell you. I maybe just take all this later, but I want to sweat some a little bit. And I want to talk. Yo, Nadine, did you watch the interview I gave yesterday to Uyghur astronaut? Actually, his real name is called Muradil.
Yaş gözünde tilep yağmur asmandın ötmekte bu günü seni ne kılar özgeni alamazsa başkeni kütten oya ondaymo azsa yürkünni
I should connect my phone somewhere. Oh no, I need to sit down and get up, so it not gonna work. Alright guys. Whew. Today's weather is not as good as yesterday guys, not even close. What is that? For what? No, phone doesn't need a charge. Thank you though. My wife is sweet. She saw I need a charger. Bring a charger outlet with a cable for me. Ooh. Yo guys, how you doing guys? Skeptic is there? Yo guys, yesterday, let me start. Yesterday, I chat with Uyghur homeless, fearless justice fighter from mainland China. If you stay tuned on this channel, you might know him from the beginning. He used to call himself Uyghur astronaut. Now, since he started his first channel on his YouTube in China, he made it in China. He changed his YouTube channel to a universal gangster. Then now he's on my Discord. We always stay tuned. He always stay tuned with my stream. And yesterday we decided to ask him a couple of questions, and he said, "Yeah, I'm ready for everything. I'm ready for every question. That's what I want." He basically wants the world know him more. The world can get more information about him. That's how he keeps himself feel safe, right? It's totally understandable. It's super understandable. Imagine you're a homeless guy in China and you're Uyghur. You are escaping from this to that side to this side. As long as you got a card, you're gonna have real life threat, life trouble. I know that. Not because of his Uyghur. Anyone against, speak out against Chinese Communist Party in China will have real danger. I know that. But and he's Uyghur, so he gonna have multiple times more danger than any Chinese. That's what I believe. And he's risking his life, right? He's risking his life and speaking out in China. I never see this type of Uyghur fearless hero, fearless brave man, young man. And that's all he wants. Media like me, like I'm not like even called media, right? Like which is speaking out, which is like active on YouTube or Facebook, keeps speaking up for him. I said, yo, of course I will do it. That's all I want to do, because since the first day I built this channel, and my logo, everything is about the justice believer, right? UyghurMan, the justice believer. I believe justice, he believes justice. He find me, help him to be his voice. So what I can do? Of course I will help him. So every day I will update his life. So far he's good. He posted one video next to a police officer's car. He said, yeah, if you become fearless, you don't even need to run away. I don't even care. Here it is. He just made a video next to the Chinese police car. He knows all the Chinese cops gonna search him soon. He told me. And a lot of people ask him, oh, China's facial recognition system, how he can run away. He said, his answer for that is, because now Chinese virus in China, train time. So he said everyone wearing masks now, and yes, he not sure when he gonna get arrested, when he gonna get caught, but he just want to speak out as much as possible. That's all he wants. And so as a justice believer, UyghurMan, like a channel owner, I think it's my duty and my responsibility. This time I cannot worry too much, because he is a Uyghur, he's my brother with different mother. He's just a Uyghur brother like me, and he don't scare anything. He's putting his life, his body in danger, his life in danger, and speaking out, right guys? So what I'm doing, just to work out, fitness, and just as believer. No, if something like that, if he needs my help, of course I will speak up, right? So I choose to speak up for him. Now speak up, like help him keep update his life and see what's, just wanna follow him and report more to the outside of China about what's going on to him. Maybe I will make a Chinese video, maybe I will make a Uyghurs video and English, different language. I just want to maximize the chance the people can reach him, to know him. Because Uyghurs has all different hero. They suffered inside, outside, even inside, they're suffering and still fighting. That's who we are. We're not a coward. That's what I want to say. When we face our life, we become fearless. For Uyghurs' future, we are fearless. We don't scare. Okay, tomorrow, what happened to me, I don't know. But I'm 100% way more or safer than his situation. So I have to be, if he speak up 1 hour, I have to speak up 10 hours. So I will keep updating his life here. Hope you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys always here. And I will let you guys know his latest situation, because like he said, you don't know, maybe next second, but he just don't want to think. That's make him nervous. So that's how he step out of the frame from his fear zone. That's just a feeling, he said. Fear is just a feel. You have to step out from that zone. Then you become fearless. Then you can maximize your power. I definitely agree. That's why I put your limitation is only your imagination. If you worry, oh, tomorrow I might gonna have danger. Oh, tomorrow CCP might kill my parents. Oh, tomorrow they maybe take my organs. So you're gonna live as a coward, like a coward all the time. The meaning of this life is nothing about the lands, right? It's about how you live as a colony. So let's see what he can do. Wish God bless him, never get caught, because China has a lot of problem right now. A lot. Internal, outside, you know. So who knows, tomorrow Chinese Communist Party just fall. And by that time, if I am the person who speak up, I would proud myself. I don't want to be the person speak up. Oh, when you don't need. Now it's the time needed everyone to speak up, stand up. Yesterday I asked him a question about what do you want from the world. I didn't say anything. I just said, what do you want from the world? What do you want from the people who in free world outside of China? He said, it's a time. It's a time. Get together, stand up, speak up against Chinese Communist Party. Do not let Chinese Communist Party reach their evil goal, which is socialize the world, globalize socialism. Basically, don't stop China be the boss of the world. That's what he wants. That's what his voice. I agree. So I definitely have to be more active than before. So I definitely need to talk. Speak up. I'll become active. He inspired me a lot. He admired me a lot. And he should admire you too. He's younger than me. But he's smarter. He's brave than me. That's why he admired me. There's nothing age. If someone, as long as he's better than you should learn something from him, right? That's what I learned from him. He gave me power, which no one else gave before. On this way, on this trip, on this journey, he's the first guy. Give me real power. Yeah, Mini, everyone knows that guy. Mini, do you remember as a guy called the Uyghur astronaut? Like first couple days of my workout, he's always here with you, with the other guy. That guy is a real hero. I know you like me, like respect me a lot, but that guy earned my respects way more than anyone else did. Just because of his fearless. Guys, we have yes. Now a lot of people try to contact him. Let me see. Is he available? No, he's not online. Yeah, I asked him. Let me know when you're free. Yo guys, today is the hottest day I ever met. Feel like I don't know what's gonna happen today if I do like that extreme ab workout. Yes, Uyghur astronaut is a guy called Muradil, which I gave a stream yesterday. Yesterday I tried a video call and stream, and we tried. It's so laggy because he used app to cross over the Chinese block, you know, Chinese filtration. So it's so laggy. Then we call him, not call him, voice chat with him, it's still not that good quality, but we understand what he means. That's the best way we can do. So that's it. We need to support that guy, guys. That's like support more than this channel, to be honest, because that guy is risking his life. I am the one just talking, you know. And of course, I'm risking my parents' life just exactly as he's risking his life. But I'm not a hero. I'm not risking my own life, right? I'm not just okay. I don't care anymore. Yo guys, let's see. Yeah, I'm super already sweating, dripping. You guys, if you guys curious, just Google Union City temperature. It might shock you. I just move like this slow, I'm already sweating. Like. Yes, let me do one up crunch. And if you guys have any questions, please ask me. And how we can help maximize our help to that guy. Let's discuss about that. Meaning, Uday Ashik, Dean, what we should do to make sure maximize the help to him. I know we cannot financially help. Yesterday I asked him, can we send you money? Is there any way to send you money? He said, no, I never think about that because he don't have like any like account or card, like you know, he don't use phone card, like his SIM card. He don't use that. He just download some app and go to public Wi-Fi, shoot some video and upload there. Like he can use the app like Discord. That's why he's here. I wish I can contact him. He can reply me soon, and then I'll ask him some couple questions again, just to update his life. You know, I mean, a lot of people don't believe he's like how legit. We need more evidence. You know, like that's so. Yeah, I just want to convince people he's real. You know, it's not like he's not like only talk, don't do anything. Yeah, share his video, and I'm worried about his safety, to be honest. I'm really worried his safety. So, how we can make sure we know he's safe or not, or I don't know, guys. That's why I need to discuss and let me know what you guys think. guys. So much things going on in one time, guys. If you turn out the TV, virus, virus, virus. China, China, China. At Facebook, Uyghurs dying, Uyghurs labor camp, organ harvesting. India, China fight, blah blah. Taiwan just fight. Whoa, so much things. And if you check your friends, someone is dying by Chinese virus. And someone is get crazy like that. You don't even care when he gonna get caught and just talk. Skeptic, skeptic, hey! Skeptic. Stay tuned, bro. So what are we gonna do today? If he has a time, we should keep updated his situation. I mean, if he won, because yesterday he kind of trying to tell me. I said what I can do for you. What I feel is he wants to just stay tuned, like stay close with us. I understand, because of that's the way he can feel safer, because he's a homeless first of all. Second of all, Chinese cops searching him everywhere, right? Since 2018, and he's Uyghur. So we have to let the people know he's legit, not the fake, not the. It's a real guy. He's a real fearless justice believer. Guys, if you want to help, we can help a lot of people. We can do a lot of things, but we have to do something, right? Yeah, Uyghur astronaut is nice guy. Me too, because he don't have his profile, his own profile picture, just a random name like that, and he said he's from China. I was like, are you real, bro? I never heard anyone speak up unless he really fearless. So Mini, how's your day, bro?
başını işte Dilimge başını işte taşlap gitti hatta ki Kasarlar yayırım Hayat samut yetkin da pendiyat Kavrıda tılda sturgum Geldi özüm ayırım Nerede adamda terek temen var Nerede anamda mehir çimen var Atam dedim anam dedim ey Umadım başta yenen imem var Nerede adamda terek temen var Nerede anamda mehir çimen var Atam dedim anam dedim ey Umadım başta yenen imem başlar Atamda birdim bir men için ilgiler akni Oğul badaçlıkta min durup ağinem dep yakni İgırındın tuttuna
Woo, last 10 guys.
Men köngül çekni atamızda min durup yaptı okurga İnsan ezan noksan gazada endeş Bunu fıttık su kırmaz azlık kılar ki mıngırçtan bek Koyuni baktım iga bulmadım bir kozıga ağinem malik Etamga karab koysam haydi gınnan buldu hadil Ey hayat ötüney bundak sallandırma Çisleverip hep taki hıl bulup ketti yakam Ata anamdan başka bir kimlerge sersan kılma Tolla meni verip ulup ketti takam Mehirnan çeşmisi işken asli anam Oğul badaçlıkka asli tuyugan işkem atam Rızkım özgedi bolmusun sizlerge kul bulay Vapadır emmelliktin yige sığar bir kapam Nerede atamda terek temen var Nerede anamda mehir çimen var Atam dedim anam dedim ey Uladım başta yenen imem var Nerede atamda terek temen var Nerede anamda mehir çimen var Atam dedim anam dedim
Yes, he said.
Uladım başta yenen imem var
Yeah, Arslan, what the heck? Arslan will contact him too. I'm asking his other contact information for him. Yeah. So they might. I told him, yeah, and he's also contacting with Guli Maksut, another girl from Canada, and I don't. He said so far only contacting me and Guli Maksut, so I don't know the Arslan. What can he do? He definitely can do a better interview with us or by himself, but I don't know. He allowed to. He want to give the email or not? I will ask. I already asked him when are you there? You know, because sometimes he just disappear for 2 or 3 days and then appear again. I understand because he gets to go some random public place, charge his phone and right, and then like do Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. I don't know how many free Wi-Fi is there. When I was in China, it's like only certain like a restaurant has Wi-Fi, and it has some kind of code or something. I don't know. I'll ask us. That's why I can't sleep. I'm thinking too much these days. What I can do, I'm worried about him too. You know, I don't want to lose this fucking hero, real hero. So when something appears, if you're not good at grab the opportunity, you're just too trash. You're gonna waste the chance. That's why I wanna grab the opportunity, let the world know, hey, see, Uyghurs are a real fearless nation. We're not a coward. He did a good job. Why? Yo, Mini, why is he deleted? Yo, Mini, you did good analysis on that COVID things. That's it is. Yes. I wish he can make a. I wish I can hook the Arslan and that guy together, since he has more people follow Arslan. You know, Arslan has a lot of people in his channel. Hook them up, and then we can give an interview again. Arslan definitely have a different question on him, but it's only voice chat. You cannot make a video chat. Video chat yesterday was too laggy, and I believe it's dangerous for him if he's like talking like this on the street, you know. It can attract more people, more cops. So we need to give him only voice interview, like phone call, if it's possible. Yeah, that guy is really, really fearless though.
Purchase your tracks today.
My mans, my mini mans, our mini man, mini, gonna turn 13 very soon. Yo, took some video, took some picture, send it to Discord. We never able to see you too. So, Kudaya Ashak, are you in our Discord or not? Or you just wanna stay here, stay on Facebook, YouTube all the time? Yeah, Mini is genius. Mini know a lot of politics too. When I was 13, I don't know what I mean, chasing some girls, you know, pulling some girls' hair when I was 13. But this guy is talking about China, COVID, how he did that, I don't know. When I was 13. When I was 13, like a lot of people, I pissed off a lot of girls in school and running around in Chinese school. Pull their hair, you know. But I started playing basketball since 13. Started from that age, stepping basketball. That took me a lot of time too. Okay, guys, fine. Today is gonna be 17 seconds. Ooh, it's gonna be hot, and it's hot.
Yeah, you know what it is. See, we're on the track, baby. Yeah. Sen görmedin mi oğlum daptiriş bakan dolayını? Görmedin mi vayran bolup çaktı kalan dolayını? Aydın herkese dedik ki varmaydı kulum. Endi gödün alıp kaçan taraygandı yolum. Akılışlı tuttum belki akıl pozisyon. Nimiş bu tüyümaydı kişiden arkası dünya. İstab yutuldun yarın her gün rast ve yalgan. Hakikat kelgen caldın nurgunlardan fakat layvan. Koçiydim azam kaya dükçüler o tetiş bak gider gözüne.
Ya Allah. It's lighter now. Mini, I know you like tornado kick. No, it's not good. If you want to do fast, you have to be really careful. But the most powerful kick, I believe, is if you can kick this way and use your this part to the head. Ooh, that can KO people. Still not that good. Nah, too high. I can't even. Oh, I still need to pull my strength. Yo, Mini, if the skin is really, I'll give you another one. Doesn't matter, bro. I have all those skins for giveaway. Just stay tuned. I'll give away. I'll give you if you want. It's nothing for me, to be honest. I don't care about those stuff. It's eventually gonna be yours if you want. You are our little brother. We really like you. Yesterday we were discussing about you. Such a nice and smart little boy, you know? Little man, I mean, mini man. Now, but you will grow up. And you're smart, you work hard. So those type of things should not, like CSGO skins, things, don't put too much energy on that. It's nothing. And but you can enjoy, you can have fun. You can have fun, but don't spend too much energy on that. That cannot never bring anything for you, your life. So you can enjoy, but don't put too much energy.
What is real shit? Düşüncemiz olsa herkes uslubumuz şarkı kılmak doğru homie okay drop the beat gerekli insana bunda kalsa hissiyatla
What do you think? What are you asking, Dean? Universal Gangster, his name, his channel. If you're talking about Muradil. So just stay tuned. Yeah, next time when I do live stream with that guy, if you have a question, you're good to ask, you know. But please watch his channel first. He talk a lot of stuff. Ah, too hot, guys. Soaking my energy. All right, I will keep going. Oh, guest is bereket. We love guests, Uyghur. Wow, my parents, if some guests come, they feel like, oh, it's such a good chance to happy the God, you know, happy Allah, make Allah happy. So we believe that's the bereket. The guest will bring bereket for us. So let them enjoy, man. Stay with your guest. Make your guest happy. All right.
Şadaman tentek balıtın dostluğunu keynili kırdın içişini çekişini uyuşunu kendin çoğun buldun eskildi kaptın çıkıp doğarak bunun tamakını dadını bildiğini aldın işendin urusay dünyanın rüzgar temmedin oyla burun bir şadaman tentek balıtın yaşar musafir buldun kanç gece yakkan beşini çükürüp şıklap buldun oyla burun bir şadaman tentek balıtın yakır muhabbetinde atanın ananın taptan pulunu onu desmi saldın oyla burun bir şadaman tentek tabağına aldı da dünyadan çıda dünya çıdağına çıkardın seyrettirsen kendin tartışma dundun maraz kaldın hayatının kancısı kaygı kancısı hoşanlık kancısı arzu kancısı zamanlık sanatı kök denizden aldı tırmanlık adamı
stay here a little bit.
Turmuş uzun kaldı bir yıl 2 yıl 10 yıl tiriştim
No escape. Keep going. Keep going. My best time for relax. I can't imagine how I can do this 2-hour workout. Not workout, fitness. without you guys, if there's nothing for me to distract and then get some motivation, you guys giving me a lot of motivation, guys. Have a good day. Thanks for you guys. Stay tuned all the time, so that I'm able to continue this fitness challenge in the hottest time in North California, and I'm doing this under the sun. Woo. I definitely need some motivation, guys, and you guys doing great, doing awesome. Please, if you guys new to my channel, just give me a like button, share this video, and after the stream finish, give me a comment, ask me anything, say anything you want. Let me tell you guys, my Facebook is YouTube acting super weird. Like a lot of, first of all, hackers, like sexual content, they leave a message, all like half-naked girls with a profile and say, oh, here's my link, awesome, beautiful, and you know, and you click that, your channel is all weird things, all like half-naked Asian girls profiles, and I think that's just a hacker or scam, not scams. They don't want to make money from just a scam. So every time I have to report them one by one, and sometimes my subscribers just disappear, like get decreased. I don't know, it's something weird happen, or like really some people just unsubscribing. I don't know. It's not supposed to be. And sometimes there's notification about comment. I got some comment notification. I know there's a comment, and when I open it, it's already gone. Is that like possible? Like everyone just go and comment something and delete? No, I think something weird happening in my channel. So, but I needed my real followers, just as believer, when you're about to do something for good deed, for goodwill, you know, the evil gonna come immediately to attack you, to stop you. That's what I believe. Why? But only to be fearless can overcome that. So I never scare anything anymore and just talk. Since I'm not breaking law, I can face my God. That's enough. For justice, I speak for the justice. So there's nothing wrong with speaking justice, speaking about justice as a justice believer. So guys,
Xo'shalliqlar aro piqirsam dil yaramni saqaytmoq tasga. Hech bir harorat illatolmaydi vujudga bu so'q tuyg'u. Qarg'uni tar yerda qistig'andak to'rt tarafdan qo'rshab keldi qayg'u. Turmushdagi har bir uchrashishning hammasi kutilgan qismat. Qanchisi xorliq, qanchisi tarliq, qanchisi arzon, qanchisi qimmat.
Let's do the plank. 70 seconds plank.
Atrofingdagilarni yo'qotib qo'ysam qaytib kelmaydi endi uchrashishing notayin.
No, Mini, don't forget.
That's
very important.
Hayot yig'lab kelib unsiz ketadigan
Ah,
jarayon.
let me do
Terib
it.
bo'lmasa jiq tizilgan marjon chechilsa riyon. Tugumas qaytilishlar bilan yurakmi oxiri charchaydi. Atrofimda to'shaq artisa qutubdan qutubga hargiz chanmaydi. Maqmaqtiman qulluqda, uqmayman manzilim qayon. Yordam so'rab mansam g'oyib silkib deydi, cho'qim o'zingga tayon. Shus mijozimni o'zgartmak bo'lib topolmadim chora amalni. Ko'p ishlarda ketkizyaptim, vasliga yetkazolmay orzuyimning armonini. Reallik shu. İlgari men əsirməs bolğan, götürüp qoyup pulumni tamaq yeyişim təs bolğan. Biroq yanıla axırda tapdım aql hoşumni. Qoyup bervetdim baxtimni tap dep qapasga solangan qushumni. Boshqalarga tayinish orqali erişolmaysa o'zing kutgan baxtga. O'z xasligi yo'q podsho bemalol o'tira olamdi oltin taxtga. Her kişinin ko'ngligidek muhabbet hikoyasi yezishi nihoyat tez. Chunki yolg'onchi nachar ko'p yonda ko'nglimi bir-biridan tez. Hatto oxiri qaynab ketadi bozordagi rangli shakvoniy sorun. Tuyuq yo'lga boshlab kirib yoshlig'ini xazon qildi o'zin quyun. Bolliqdagi kunlar bo'lsin patqoq pokiz edi aslima. Yuz berayotgan qator meynatchilikka boshqasi bo'lmayman taslima. Uzun so'zilgan tunlar jup-jup buzuqning bir-biri qarab eg'inishidir. Yoki birning yoshlik turaldan bo'lgan seg'inishidir.
Calm down, I need to calm down today. It's super hot. I might do slow.
Jimmy got the sauce, boy.
Madem ben sana kendim bağır kızını sağ ulaşkan bu devirde. Tükürdüm şimdi kürgünü ben de şahsmanda bulundu düşün git evinde. Şimdi önleydiğen uçtuğun üzüldüğün çapıdığın ayvalı uzun boktu. Ananı bir çişle bananı bir yutup üstünde bu leydiginde kuzgun boktu. Süleysini dirges birisini dili filip atı bile ağını ve uçu bile şirik bulup ben dünyaya üst bolsam dünya bana yerik bulup gise bile sebep tudu hayatımın kulup var. Yakışın ormanlı küpkek asmanla kayakla kayıp olursa ben de sonra. Planlı geçişi bilen kerkiden örgüsünü birisini oy bakalım ya birisini doğru. Babudum heyran aç gözüm şüpheli bu kişiden iki bakanı bu kanı değiren bu alem güzellik alemi misalleri kimin okulum doğu panca kırmaydan ıskıtayım bıraktı diye kızılmayın şürüme tatbımla kadramı sabırlıkçının kayıkta bu uzun terip acılı men uzun yağada hulup uzanım şu gidip kadışım alıp kutup eğiken mügüzün doğru kalma sakaymağa geçsin bir otlak ki boğumaran dövkendim İntisan ola beni öldürmem bu katılak meydanı desem beni köygen kulumun kegeni parçamına yen durup oyduğunum pul üzem için dirakes üzem için kakomsam yaşarı bokunumda büzüldü ha Yakman derisi dışımga kulak çadım saklan derisi dışımga ayak Ben yeni üzemge baktı bir perva kölgende sonraydı sapırım kayak Aldı ben üzemden hayatı bilen ta oksigen suyu da tüketkili Özlem korkusu uçudu yaşaştı avlatlağı uyatkili Yılasan derisi aslı yeken nazmayımının en uzak kuvvetli uzak Aldım ulandım yolamı tuzuk deme demek ayam bu kalbim uzak Tabiat ölçüne eyvatı dur yeter eşini ocaktı Kıralar cehennem beşiğe giydiğin adamlar kendi bu kıskanda ahmeti Emine söz gülen gühemini ki baktı bana gidiğin sadece bütünden iki konuda insanlar yüzden gidi halaketten yolga bu adamla aylandım aldığının konu kalmadım ben kuşlarına geldim bari kızımızda ulaştım bu devirde Özem için derakis bizim için kan kolap buldum ben benden koluğa esir hemendim ben kuşlarına geldim bari kızımızda ulaştım bu devirde
Oh guys, so much thing going on, right?
Şimdi tebrikler asmadı bulutun şimdi tebrikler tokta Özgür aslı bütün emeski
Jerry, how's your day, bro? Oh, it's all wet. I just touched my head. It's wet. Look at it. Alright, I have 15 minutes left. Give me some power, guys. Give me some power. I'm tired today. I didn't sleep. I only slept like a couple hours last night. Since I was like doing live stream yesterday with Muradil, our hero. Too late, and there's so much information in my mind that I can't like focus and sleep easily. Last night it takes me an hour to not falling asleep, and now that's why today is kind of tired. But I will keep going. Give me some power, guys. Give me some power. So, now I'll do my side. I'll touch my shoes from the side, okay?
Hayli yaman boy bastidin yevetiddiganda qılıdı putin bir kalini gumasız yes delogul oytkirsiz rejazı halaydı Uyghur rap alimi sebep olan idrak rapçiler gap düşemez havadını çıkar kaç müzik malimi kolunda yardımla tam tizi razıman koyatım Uyghur rap hazinesini beytip o yardımla düşenmeydiğen bu dep kapı bolmağın perveras yadip kılıp koygan tokuğamı demese küçüşüp kayak perver kazan şıtadaki rejazga isim şeytan deyip kan at tepken yakıp çocuktan muamele hapa bosa memmo tikip koydum kasın zeytga
Only the Din. Only the Din is giving me power. Thank you, the Din. I'm the Din. Yeah, I want. It's just too hot. And I will do başkana kalgan bu dünya kamçili şekrep para şaltak şefani şair şili meşelesiga şaltak şede şamnafsız şakı şende de şabak şerik şerefsiz şarpılı şahsi şu an şarpı şanı şorluk şair elde şermedi şarpılı şeira şekilla şeiri şeklensiz şungun şaşmak şişre şırtta yere dikis kicemen bir keş götürüp erkeş terağı patlanim keşbet kastüm burulga teksti saklı keş ilham uçuk meşgalı geç olmaydı Allah'ın kulu terkes semerek geç tapçılara tükürgeni set geç nasiyat kalet geç sonra repetle boldi heşkalı haş Haskala hash, Haskala hash, Haskala hash, rapid pantol kassun, Haskala spektra atmağı şırtan, demesem mu sebepli bildan, kedik sizişka makuluk bildan, yazalmaz deldiye set yakılkan, dayman tanışmalar. Damn guys. Ağzıda sonra gala şani, ağzıdır ilhamlıq şani, maişetli foto bürüştek siz gaçı gettim bani, Allah noçular hıcıtsız hattım, bahalar tutukuz kapı baş hattım, kusur yok pakt, özem bir yipek durdum kımetim naktim, korkmayma zedladı park yok raktim, çok sözleşke var minan hattım, kulaktim tat, okuyma raktim, senden talpi racazı tattım, İşkeli gözümle yumup, sol kulumdu yazgan tekstimni, ertede hemmiz tulup, şundak şenigi pörek dinler sunup, yaxşı yazgağında tılla vermen, çok işittirmeyme ağzını bozup, yaxşı yazmağında tılla vermen, sını konuşaldım başka bir yargay, sen ketlip emsi göz uçup algay, Uyghur rap kötekni harmay, talmay, kalem ve ilhamda pekirle yargay, üstüne gördüm mezligi barmay, üstüne desen yaşarım tem sarmay, kalgını yokudun azrak, kalgını yivetti gocereceğiz, akan kargay, Rejaz, akan kargay, Rejaz, akan kargay, Rejaz, akan kargay, Rejaz, akan kargay.
Tutunuş yolda biz mağan yolla ben mağdım yalnız sen yok yanımda sen hayalimde sen turmuşumda sen yok tutunuş yolla biz mağan yolla ben mağdım yalnız sen yok yanımda hayalimde sen durmuşumda sen yok
Right DJ, XAH.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hemen unutken sözüme bol hemen yutuver çekken senin sıkıtıver arkan bilen rumkıbı tüküver bir dikkat kılmaydı sana present yo bunlarca kalbana present yo çünkü hem kılmaydı o kostutu ezmez işin gahemi yok arzuyonu belki dolma bek bulup yıkılıp gelsen bana sen çift durur her kandak mı ya da kula pet durur sana bu kandak mı yarışı da ket durur gerek sana ken
I know my fitness looks like so easy, but the weather is not easy, guys. And it's 2 hours, so I need to calm down. Do it every day, you know, not for like only 40 days. This is 40-day challenge. First 40 days is gonna be tough, so if I finish this challenge, the rest I can do 1 hour fitness every day. I wish. It's gonna be easy. So first 40 days it's gonna be tough. At least 2 hours.
Sırtta buradırın köplik aram yemedin sen. Yançuğun dolsulu boldu eminime karbi dedimidin sen. Sözlerim hem o çok bilirsen şigitege şapkini vaktim emmem. İdiyerim o çok görse bir gün elip çıkım erapni. Bir çetken mın betken tolsun çeçe bessan teri versem yansın bu tam. Öğretime bir gün kızlarını iti basam yener. Çoğu canı sen külüme müzik yapamaz. Yanı sen söküme kopşulan ters. Oh x8 what yetmedi günü gel baş. Hazır temiz keş. Berip yürügeni taş. Ömer buldum özlege uçak bulayım meş. Belgim dar koca kişi yok. Durmuşum yazem kişi yok. Tapta yılda akıl yok çok. Yaşa tombozu yan çok. Kışak güz bahar yaz sen için ametine. Merit dostum merit düşmem kardeş yollar meliye. Ama iyisen bolsun desen ailen yer. Ama iyisen bolsun desen kurban ağıydı. Ula ücük gece düştü. Melike güzü. Otma gerginsen kama. Pervayın yok. Meli eğer balsın kama. Türk oldu. Hemen unutup sen kama.
Guys, it's just hot. All the 30. Oh, I'll do my third. I think I need a second plank. I need to do my third plank.
Şunun o kesmekte nadan ağzıma body bırakır rengarenk sözde olsa düş yalaydı yamanın yanaklarını yaşını yakşı akıllı dövüş Cıtsızın yolunu kusamaz hiç bırak çapın bulsa bilse Bilmedi sonkan çok kesilene tafa alalını yapılmaydı Caman niyetli yüzü amına ben dünyadan bulmaydı Ben şişkin güçlü sanatta kolunu dolgaydı yer haftada adam bak aldırmaya dalaydı Yemenin sözde saçının hop bir anda keme doğa gişi pop fucking anlatılmadı yenice hep ama başta tonlu Tonlarının emeleklerini kaptı derkim kimliğini bunlar bize bir set bu man hey Düşman emez ben dost değmem Dost gibi düşman emez sağ dememez Belki kırsan kabes sözlü belki pes dersli pes geldi veremez Düşman yemi dost emez sağ dememez Belki bir son yaman da reste gidi basal res ben kapçaplar yüzü pes gel ha sen düşman mı dost
Hey, it's bro. Represents Lesh on the garage. You know what I'm saying? Check the sound. Hey, hey.
Sordu kalemdin dedi başkası yok mu da elemdin Müştahak biz ezeldin dedim konu senem giderse koş Belki şükür kıldım hata demedim ben işki kılış kıyıntılmadım Günü dört kıtım yalırıp köp kıtım işla caydı tütken koş Çıknesi de arkada bırak göremezdik birinci biz Şen çıkanmadı yakın yere Kumanğı tayyar üçüncüdün Dört güllük dünya doğru Beşte Allah kötemecilik Altı şehdi köptür şeve Aramız köptü hayrımcılık Odam dengiz orsiri qarsaq ketib bo'lgan odam men nurg'uni ko'rgashga bilgashga qo'limga qalamni olganman to'g'ri hammani bilaman demidim bilganlarim rostchaklik yolg'on rost mening qalamim haqqilidan shaylik nocha erkak qoldi bazda kuniga bir kun buzg'iniga oshiq xudoga ko'pdir nazmlar o'zgarishig'i kulib xush otiz kassan ballar yig'lab beradi haqqa amaliyotda siz ishidan rostni o'ylab yuriydi xush to'g'ri Sodigarning so'di suruna qo'lga kirdim farqim yo'q qiyra ojiz kichik cho'ngning ochliq bilmeni chatqim yo'q hisob turishga taynim yo'q meni insof bilgani chatqim yo'q azan olsam qimmat sotsam pul topsam lan bo'laman xush yayin bo'lsa aldamchi mening do'stim so'zi rost gap yo'q yeng tunishliq sirimni o'qishdim o'risam kaynimda san haq yo'q men bir yo'lovchi karvon ustida ko'rganimni so'zlayman maqsim olamcha mening atrof to'g'ri yo'lni bizga deyman dardlari tugsiga deyman xushalliqdan kulsiga deyman mehnat ishdan nerdu do'stim turus yo'ldan topsan xush to'g'ri o'zimizga dushman o'zini yangmoq bekdas ish g'amlar orsida qolmaydigan tashvishlarga xayr xo'sh
Özlüğünde bizler gamsız temsiz durmuş güller rangsız çeksiz ilham sökmen şersiz xetris kepqeni aldımda toz erli xor tilingda erkin vaqt kes deystemkin ağinanның aldı men tim şimdi gülüp ettim tapqınыңны tamgı çaplap tanığının yatqı batnap yüremiz şundaq tinimsiz qatrap tügmez saatigi qol biz xoş bal terbiyesiga yo'qtur oyla biz yo'q uramsiz qizning to'yga qizmiljiq qaytishning koydi bayğı to'ylab bitgan xoş tildeşnağı teşnadilla xoşal külüdi yağsız Xoş emmetçilik gözünün yoludu bir gün gamsiz ötkengi xoş Köpki xoş dedim köpki xoş edin Sepli boş dedim sevir toş dedim Detki toş dedi rapti boş dedim Yazıman etimen görmen xoş Köpki xoş dedim köpki xoş edin Sepli boş dedim sevir toş dedim Detki toş dedi rapti boş dedim Yazıman etimen bilsem xoş Yazıman etimen bilsem xoş Bilsem xoş
Yo, Skeptic, are you there? Skeptic. Katapıyaldım soy. Wi-Fi snatcherke, what up boy? I think Skeptic and Mini is not here, but I want to talk to Skeptic. That freedom fighter made a new video. I will check later. Skeptic, did you see his video? Wow, this guy is so hot. Skeptic? Yo, that guy made a new video. Did you watch? Muradil, yesterday we gave an interview. I can't contact him anymore. I wish every day we can just update his information, bro. And Skeptic, could you make an article about him? Just describe about him, use his video and summarize and make an article about him and post it on our website. That's what we need to do, bro. We promise him we will try to be his voice as much as we can. Yeah, me too. I want to send him money too, but I don't think he can receive, and he said he cannot. So we need a real work for him. Like, we need to worry about him, talk about him, describe and show other people, explain to other people. Yo, bro, could you make a new article? I know you're really good at writing like before. Could you make an article about him, maybe one page? Just describe, because you and me is the people know him most, you know? Is that okay, bro? And I will make a next plan, working on the next interview and stream things. Is that okay? In next 24 hours, we need to make an article for him and publish on our website and our on our Patreon and website. We will publish an article about him. Yeah, think about it and watch his whole video. And if you have any question, ask me or like ask him directly if he reply you, and we will make an article. I know you're a professional writer, so you can do this job good, bro. Thank you so much, and stay tuned, bro. Yeah, we need to keep working on that, bro. There's one guy risking his life. Such a brave man, and again and again, just admired me a lot. So I'll try my best to do everything I can. Alright guys, today I have another appointment early with another guy online. I need to make another stream today. So today just wanna, oh no, I need a 2 hour, I can't quit. I will delay another one. I won't quit. I was thinking about, okay, since it's too hot and I have another things to do, I'm always worried about the next work I will do. So I was about to quit and just do 1.5 hours today workout, but I don't think that's a good thing, good idea. Forgot about it, never mind. Even though I'm just not doing that extreme, I'll just stay outside. My neck is burning, you know what I'm saying? That's why I was like, I can't open my eyes. Too bright outside. Yeah, we gotta do it, we gotta do it. We definitely gotta do it. We are in the free side, he's in the danger side, and he tried to working with us, and what's the reason I don't do, right? Wow. Okay. Stretch workout is always good. Like you said, Dean.
Yumuşuma toktuma öldürsüz tırışma Riyalık reyimsiz dursun diye yolunda ligime başlatma ilişma Ağzından akşamda hınış buldara Kaydedin derde biz kırışma Uzun gelmeyken bulak sayısiyat Kaydedin gelgende özümü tutalmay bow Şunçilik ergen osko temden başkası yapmaydı boçilik belki Iskılatma aycı kağıdan yanına şunçilik temkin Başka da yana çıkış tutulup Yıldızını özümle pay tutunup Bu sefer kaderlik sadikat kalmışsa Gidiyordu kanıtın kayıt sunup Zerden uyup Bu şey maronkan hızlak uyup Gelgende bu sene bayırıp uyup Emnice ağzıma bunu mutluyum Yaş günler kaldımda Şu günler yadımda Ben unutalmayım Ben unutalmayım Ben unutalmayım Ben unutalmayım Hey what's up Deppel belgen ağinem o yırakta Kaytıp gelgen tezrak yollarında çırak ba Küllü öttü bek tez efsus görüşelmedik biz Lekin hamına sebep buldu görüşümüzge yıldız forever İşencim bak elbisede biz good Az kalsam ötken günler rastla bekle testo Nurgun nefsizden geçti Az katmaydı hala ateş Fuck Belkim untulup mu ketto Yo yaşap geldik lekin hayat demezdir ama Emdi güller yakşı buldu çünkü taşak plan ba Ağinem kilişmezdik bir oyumuz düşüp ketmişsin O işlerini oyduğum yok az katmaydı gramga Film sat burada delikine God damn Yeah, let's go. Slap flower. Yeah.
Do I get some water? I'll get some water. Alright guys, 20 minutes left. I need to keep going. Even though it's super hot today. Can't quit. Cannot quit. 2 hours challenge is challenge. The water is the best, guys. Still, it's a creation from the God is the best. At this time, the time you're really thirsty, the water cannot beat anything. Anything cannot beat water. I'm sorry. Tired. Okay, now. Lower lift, lower up. Oh, it's too hot, guys. Oh, sweating. Can't open my eyes, to be honest. My wife got a phone call. I wish she'd disconnect first, otherwise everyone gonna hear her. Aliyah. Okay. All right.
Çıktı çıktı ey kolunu yan çıktı ey tıktı ey kolunu gözge salgılık geludun sıktı ey hay sıtıksızay ilham qılıp bilmegen pay sen kimdi ma bu Uyghur aqida menmey bağlap ey bolgan ay yetersiz taraflar çöptür çöptür kamchilik açıqlab ketmegin deb koy avval bir yazama menchilik ilhamı nima bu satchilik biroq buni bilmaydi ko'pchilik qalam o'ng qo'longa o'ng kelmaykan boshqani qilgan bu dunyo kamchilik shakvat bir shaltoq shafoni sha'ir shili nashrisiga shottoq shada shabnamsiz shahshada shalboq shirak sharafsiz sharpon shaxsiy shuhar sharp shan shurloq shairani sharmadi sharton shiira shaklla shiiri shaklasiz shunday shashmoq shishdan shirton yaratik kichining bir kash ko'tarib apkash teralan taqiyanim kashbet kostyum burunga teksti saqli kash ilham o't yo'q mashg'ol g'ash bo'lmaydi g'allani qo'ntab kash samarab kash dabchilar tuturgan sapkash nasiyat qilak kash saga rapetna bo'ldi hash qala hash ey
I don't know. I can't see that. I cannot. I don't believe so. But he was saying he will make a video soon, and then that guy is kind of. But for sure, he trusts me. That's why he's joining our community. Left his message, his first video, you know, for me to advertise for him. For sure, he trusts me, and because I'm talking about I'm just this believer, of course. So good. To be honest, I'm not that tired. It's just so hot I can't open my eyes. So bright outside. See, I have belly. When I kick, it's cutting my squeezing my own belly too. Yeah. Oh, no, he's not. I don't think so.
tuntas kecha. Tügəməz oy fikir ülkədə xiyal dənizə çöktüm. Məynətçilik təngsizlik qatlanan ətrafımda həqiqət qoynağını tuttum. Qulaq tutan şoğuş, ağlanmaqdı klassik müzika. Həsrətli kümüş üçün zaboy qaraq, bəngi dava tamakka. Hər qitim düşənmək təz, turmuşqı deyişli öyrəndim bopdula. Ötken keşkəni qoy pürvətdim vaqt özünün ixtiyarıqa. Qiyin gündə illiqliq ata qılğan birovni əski kirgizmə uçdum tut. Maydonga urub işengənlərim vaxtı gəlsə deyəlməydi kəl qolumda tut. Gülümsəraş içində reallıqni çörüb azabını alıman əskə. Xoşallıqla ara peyqirsamı dil yaramni saqaytmaq təskə. Heç bir hararet illitalmaydı vücuddaki bu soğuq tuyğu. Qarğını tar yerdə qıstıqandək tört tərəfdən qorşab keldi qayğı. Turmuşdaki hər bir uçuruşdan həmmisi tutilgan qismət. Qançısı xarlıq, qançısı tarlıq, qançısı arzan, qançısı qimmat. Yıllar etdi, ömür uzun emas, qadirlə ətrafındakilərini. Yoxdur qoysam qaytı gəlməydi o, əmri uçurtuşağına tayin. Tutalmaydığının vaqt, elib qalamaydıqının yıllar. Köngül ızarı qılışalmay kövünüb getdi, qançı cıqdırlar. Hayat jığılab kep önsüz ketadigan jaryan. Terib bolanmaysa jıpqı tızılgan marjan çeçilsə riyan. Tügəməz qaytılışlar bilan yurakmı axırı çarçaydı. Ətrafımda toşaq artist, artisa qutupdan qutupqa hərgiz canmaydı. Mağmaqtıman qulluqda, uqmayman mənzilim payan. Yardım sorab bansam gayipsin kütəydi, çoxum özüngü tayan. Şus micazımni özgərtmək bo'lib tapalmadım çare amalini. Köp işlarda ketkizvetdi, vəslik yetkizalmay arzuyumdan armanini. Reallik şu. İlgiri mən əsirməz bolğan. Götürüb qoyub bulumni tamaq yeyişim təs soğan. Biroq yanıla axırda tapdım aql hoşumni. Qoyub birvətdim bəxtimni tapdab qəpəski solağan quşumni. Başqalarga tayiniş arqılıq erişəlməysə özün kütgən bəxtgə. Öz xaslığı yox padişah bir malal oldıra alamdı altın təxtgə. Her kişinin köldükidek muhabbet hikayesi yetişir nait tez. Çünkü yalğancı naçar köp yanda köylümü bir-birdim tez. Hatta ahire kaynap getudu mazardaki ranglik şekvani sorun. Tuyuq yolga başlap kırıp yaşlığını haza qıldı ezin kuyun. Ballıqtiki küller bolsun patqaq pakizide əslime. Yüz bir vatqan qatar meynətçilikə baş qısıb olmayma təslime. Uzun sözülğan tüller. Cüp-cüp buzuqdan bir-biri qarab eğinişidir. Ya ki birinin yaş kötken alda yeni bir boğan seyğinişidir.
Last couple minutes left. 4 minutes. Good. Anamda çıkmadı layık. wow, way better. But that helped me sweat more. It's like, yeah. Almost done, huh? Almost done. Ah. Da. Çıtır taraflar çıtır. Çıtırlar taraflar Aman vallahi ya da
Biroq buni bilmaydi ko'pchilik. Qalam o'ng qo'longa o'ng kelmaydigan boshqani qilgan bu dunyo kangchilik. Shakvat bir shaltoq shafoni shoir shilima shilisiga shirtdan. Shada sharnamsiz shahi shanida shabloq sherik sharafsiz sharpon shaxsiy shuar. Shorpishani sho'rloq shoirandi sharmanda shartdan she'ira shakilla she'ira shaklansiz shundan shashmoq shishda shirtdan. Yerim tekst kichimon bir kash ko'tarib apkash terg'am qafiyanim kashbet kostyum burulga teksti saklikash ilhom utyuq mashg'olg'ash. Bo'lmaydi g'allani qo'ntap kesam rapkash tapchilar tupurgani sapkash nasiyat qalamga so'ra rapitla bo'ldi hash qala hash. Ey ey ey hash qala hash. Ey ey ey hash qala hash. Ey ey ey hash qala hash. Rapit qantlon qurib kassun. Ey hash qala hash. Askatish bakirga atmag'a shiltan demasam mo sababni bildim. Qetik sezishga ma'qullik beltan yazolmas dal desak tikan qilqin dayman tanishmaga yani og'zida so'rag'ala shani azidur ilhamlik shani maishatli xudo burish teksiz vashkatni ma'ni yolg'onlik nochurlar hijrsiz hattim baholar ushta qo'z qapoqlash hattim qusur yo'q pak tattim o'zim bir yepak turdim qimitim naqdim qo'rqmayman zavoda park yo'q raqtim cho'ng so'zlashga mening haqqim quloqim tatib o'qiyman raqtim sandan tatib rajazim ishkili ko'zimni yumib sol qo'limda yozgan tekstimni ketida hammasi to'lib ha shundoq shaniga po'rak dillar sulib yaxshi yozg'anda tillab beraman cho'k kichikdimayman og'zimni buzib yaxshi yozmag'anda tillab beraman seni tunishimdan boshqaga yorg'aysan qatlabam sikus uchib olg'ay uyg'ur katakni harmay talmay qalam va ilhomda piqilla yorg'ay ustuqni ko'rdim mazziga barmay ustuqni desam yashirimdan sarmay qolg'ini yo'qidan azraq qolg'ini yevatdi g'ojirajaz akam qarg'ay ey ey rajaz
Oh.
qarg'ay ey
That's it for today's workout, guys. I'm done. Today's one of the hardest day I ever met since I started my channel, my fitness challenge. So it kind of made me slow and lazy, but I tried my best to finish. Just to move out under the sun, just moving under this type of sun. It's a bright day. That's why it's kind of quiet today. I'm also thinking and planning how to help the Muradil more than I can. So I got a little distracted, but stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.